How to fix the not secure error in Google Chrome. So if you're getting the error that says this website is not secure, I'll show you a few ways on how to go and solve this. Now the first thing you can do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then just search for settings and click on this window. From the left hand side, select time and language and click on date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically is turned on and also make sure set time automatically is switched on. You can then scroll down to sync now and click on the sync now button. Once you've done this, head back over to your Chrome browser, click on the 3 vertical dots and click on extensions. Now press manage extensions and you'll need to go and turn off and disable any extensions you currently have enabled. As you can see, I've already removed all of my Google Chrome extensions. You could then try opening the website and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, click on the 3 vertical dots again, scroll down the page and select settings. From the left hand side, scroll down to reset settings, click on restore settings to their original defaults and just click on reset. Now just like before, you can go and check to see if that solves the error. If it's still not working, then what you can do is you can try heading over to the website one more time, click on the advanced button, and then you can scroll down and you can just click the proceed link. Now this will proceed to the website regardless of the not secure error.